What is up guys, it's me James from Delav Cashflow. In this video I'm gonna tell you what is a sales funnel. I'm gonna show you an image that explains what is a sales funnel so that you can have an idea in your mind how the sale process works. As you can see in the image in this page, basically a sales funnel is a sales process that allows you to convert visitors into buyers by pre-educating them why they need your product. So all of these people at the top of the sales funnel, as you can see in the image of the screen, all of these people are visitors and they can have no clue the product, if they're gonna help, how their problem's gonna be solved. They don't know who you are, why should you buy them from you. But all the process in the sales process, you will provide them with content that pre-educates them why they need to change something in their life and why your offer is the solution and how to get their problem fixed. Pretty much so, as you can see, the first image above the funnel is getting visitors, and once you get the visitors, we're gonna get through with the first steps of the funnel. Now then, they will become prospects and contacts because you will get their email address. And it's very important process of the sales funnel is collecting email address, because if you don't have an email, then you are not building your email list. And we're gonna dive deeper into building email lists, all of these things. But pretty much an email list is gonna be like an online real estate. It's gonna be a way for you to follow up these people if you don't buy. And even if they buy, you can still gonna be able to follow up with them to make sure they buy the other products, or you can keep up the value, you can keep building relationships. So the first above the funnel is always gonna be all the visitors sent to your funnel. All these visitors came from different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and any other traffic source. All these people might know or might people not know you. But in most cases, people, they are not gonna know you because there are so many people on the internet and so many other marketers and many other businesses. Probably they don't know you, but your goal is to get these people to build a relationship with you. And you as a start sending them different steps of the funnel. So it's normal and completely fine at this point they don't have a complete relationship with you, because by the end of the day, to follow up, they should know you closer and have a closer relationship with you. Like they should trust you more. Once the visitors goes to the first page, and after they will enter their email address and they will give you their information when they become a contact and leads, right? A lead is someone's potential buyer. They are not buying yet, but they are interested in your product or software that you are selling. So they have a potential in becoming a customer. All you have to do is follow up with them. The reason they are not a customer yet because they haven't been presented the opportunity in a way that gets their attention so that they can take out their credit cards and buy. The reason they are called a lead, they actually went ahead and entered their email address to receive more information. So they made a micro commitment. They gave you their information to receive further information about whatever you were selling, and that is finalist and a client. You can explain a sales funnel in different ways. Generally speaking, if you do it the right way and put visitors at the top of the funnel, in the first steps in the bottom you're generating sales and income. That is why a lot of people call sales funnel a money machine, because if you do it right and the way, if you know how to persuade people, create good sales funnel, all you have to do is keep sending traffic and traffic. I want to show you a real example of a funnel from Clickfunnels, and it's really a good example. In this case, it's a sales funnel, right? So this funnel is for sales. So in this case, we can use this opt-in page. This opt-in page is the first step of the sales process. This is where visitors come and enter their email address. Once you click the Get Instant Access Now, there will be a pop-up box that is saying which email address you should I send you training. It means that when visitors enter their email address and get instant access, they'll become contacts and leads. A lead is considered a potential buyer, but even if they don't buy the product yet, you can still send them values and have a great relationship with them and gain their trust. You have to gain their trust. To do that is send them daily emails with values and trainings. After clicking the Get Instant Access button, you will see this page. This is where you will see everything about the product or the offer and the values you get. All you have to do is follow all the steps. Step 1, watch all the videos. Step 2, all you have to do is get your Clickfunnels for 14-day trial. And if you have questions about the product or the offer, you can reach them out to their messenger, and it's all for free. When you sign up for a free trial of a ClickFunnel, you will get access to all of these bonuses for free. All of these free online courses, and it's all for free. All you had to do is get your ClickFunnels for 14 days trial and learn about everything you need to know. So what you're waiting for? There's a link down below in the description on how to get your 14 days trial of a ClickFunnel, and also how to get your free values absolutely for free. That is all for this video. I hope you learned something. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more videos and tutorials about ClickFunnels. That is all. Goodbye.